So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Fiverr. So the first thing you want to do is go to fiverr.com, then log in to your Fiverr account. After that you can see Fiverr, a search bar, upgrade to Pro, your notifications. You can see the messages here, lists, orders, try Fiverr Go, as well as this account. Now through here you can see profile, post a project brief, and so on. You can also see some other options on your profile page. And you want to be on your buyer page as well. So through here you can see profile checklist, you can see explore Fiverr. And if you can't find it on here, you can just go and click on your profile again and go to billings and payments. And on here you can see your billing history, billing info, balances, and payment methods. So you will need to click on the payment methods tab. You can see the PayPal that's automatically there, and you can click the plus sign to add a payment method. So you can see here right now the only available payment method is PayPal. So you can click on this. In order to complete your PayPal registration, we will transfer you over to PayPal secure servers. If you click on this, you're going to be redirected to a PayPal site where you need to just register with your account, and after that you can just add that payment method that you want. But again, you can just go ahead and click on PayPal's method and you can do it through there. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Fiverr or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.